Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, October 27, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 27, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.40. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced some ups and downs, but as of now, it is showing a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently moving in a wide and horizontal trend. This means that it is showing relatively stable price movements without a clear upward or downward direction. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a potential 1.85% change expected over the next 3 months. However, it's important to note that this could result in a return ranging from -6.77% to 12.42%. So there is some uncertainty in the future performance of the stock. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a more significant change of 30.96% over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 15.35% to 47.81%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $40.99 to $52.53 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel brings some exciting news. The stock price surged by an impressive 9.29% on Friday. On the last trading day, the Intel stock price experienced a significant rise, going from $32.52 to $35.54. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 4.96%, reaching a low of $34.66 and a high of $36.38. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -1.2% during this period. However, on the positive side, the last day saw a volume increase along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 31 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 81 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.87 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $40.07, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 11.3% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $4.53. Furthermore, it is 48.71% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Intel Corporation, or Intel. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Intel an underperform grade with a hold action. The day before, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, BMO Capital gave Intel a market perform grade with a hold action. In the same report, on October 26, 2023, Needham gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Also on October 26, 2023, UBS rated Intel as neutral with a hold action. Going back a bit, on Monday, October 16, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buying opportunity and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Intel. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 9.29%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that may have an impact on the near short-term development. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. This means that the stock has a more negative forecast overall. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $35.82. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $34.27. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 147 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel stock finds support from accumulated volume at $35.14. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there's a potential buying opportunity. We can expect an upwards reaction from the market. In terms of risk, Intel has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This puts the risk level at medium. Looking at the stock's performance over the last day, it had a price range of $1.72 between the high and low, representing a 4.96% fluctuation. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 4.54%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can face downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 24, 2024. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level we need to watch is at $36.83. For those who are not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. However, if you already own Intel shares, this could be an interesting level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward movement, its first support level can be found at $35.14. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received an average rating of buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. made an insider buy of 1,538,326 shares of phantom stock units. On September 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 720,816 shares of phantom stock units. On September 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 580,169 shares of phantom stock units. On September 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,064 shares of common stock. On September 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,478 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -29.526. Overall, insiders have purchased 41,008,120 shares and sold 77,279,049 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $34.10, which represents a decrease of 4.04%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found just 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While Intel holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are strong enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position, as we await further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, October 30th, we anticipate Intel to open down $0.0133 and start trading at $35.53. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We also want to know your target for the stock. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being here.